In today's video, we show the difference between the older Aquaphor Quick Change cartridge system with buttons, known as Click and Turn, and the new Aquaphor system without buttons, featuring the Auto-Lock cartridge protection system. In the older type of system, produced before 2025, for example, this Aquaphor Crystal undersink water filter with 3 stages of filtration, to install the cartridge, you had to insert it into the socket and turn it clockwise until it clicked, just like in bayonet filter systems. After that, the water filter cartridge is securely locked in place. To remove the cartridge during replacement, you had to press the button with one hand until it clicked, rotate the cartridge counterclockwise with the other hand, and then pull it out. In the new Aquaphor systems, replacing the water filter cartridge is even easier. It can be done with one hand. Let's look at the compact Aquaphor RO-101S reverse osmosis system as an example. Before installing a new replacement filter cartridge, remove the flushing cap and keep it in a safe place, because it will be needed for future flushing procedures. Then simply take the new cartridge, gently insert it into the correct socket, and turn it clockwise until it clicks. As we can see, the cartridge is now positioned with the label facing outward, and it is securely fixed. You do not need to use significant force either to install the cartridge or to remove it during the next filter replacement. For regular filter replacement, after turning off the water supply, simply rotate the cartridge counterclockwise with one hand, just like unscrewing a standard light bulb. And the filter will be released. So replacing Aquaphor cartridges has become even easier than before with the older button-based system. And of course, it is much faster and simpler than replacing classic 10-inch drop-in water filter cartridges. Today, you can buy the full range of Aquaphor undercounter water filters, the simple one-stage Aquaphor Crystal Solo, the Aquaphor Crystal with 3 stages of filtration, and compact Aquaphor RO Morion reverse osmosis systems for home use with the new Auto-Lock cartridge replacement system. Save your time and money, replace your home water filters yourself in just a few minutes, and always enjoy clean, fresh drinking water at home.